The winner of Big Brother Mzansi Bazozwa Season 6 is Liema. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Reality TV show. And I'm guys sikhuluma nge Big Brother Mzansi, the moment ekudala ke abantu ke beyilindile bevota abanye bethi thina sifuna kuwine bani abanye bethi sifuna kuwine bani. Our top 6 guys was uBravo, uDidi, uQ, uLiema, uThandeka kanye ke no Trixie. So guys, mina actually my favorite beku Trixie, but I knew ukuthi fan base yakhe ibingekho kangako and ngeke azawin. I knew ukuthi it was impossible for her to win because of the fan base thing. And guys, ngokwendlela abadlale ngakhona ngaphakathi noma ngendlela ke ama performance abo kade ngakhona ngaphakathi, I believe ukuthi uThandeka ube nayo potential yokuthi ke awine, but her competitor was someone obebuya okwesibili kwi Big Brother house. So fan base kaThandeka ne fan base kaLiema like bingafani guys, bingafani. For uLiema uzozosomizi bethi if she don't win the 2 million I will give it to her. So guys, fan base kaLiema was very strong, as much as nekaThandeka be strong. And but guys, I believe ukuthi ke abantu they will do izinto ke badume ngazo ukuthi ke phuma lapha ku Big Brother Mzansi, your fans will contribute something and give it to you. So I believe ukuthi they will do some donations for them. And again guys, yeah, truly speaking, as much as I was not Thandeka's fan, but yeah guys, yazini usisi une strong personality, akagobi insimbi kayigobi. And on the other side guys, we're hoping, or abantu they were hoping ukuthi ke uBravo might win cause naye bekabuye kwesibili lapha ke ku Big Brother Mzansi house. But yeah guys, yena uThandeka kanye ke no Liema, it was difficult even to predict ukuthi ubani ongasawine between the three of them. But I knew ukuthi between the two, Liema and Thandeka, oyedwa wabo guys uzohamba naso ke isicoco. I don't know ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi ubani bekufanele ukuthi awine. Are you happy with Liema? Between the two of them, ubani ubucabanga ukuthi uzowina wena kwi Big Brother Mzansi? Ubani ubucabanga ukuthi uzohamba nalo 2 million rand? So yeah guys, that bring us to the end of this video, and congratulations to Liema bakithi. Congratulations to her. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi last season ngale season le yakhe wahamba nemali nesamba semali wathi cha uyahamba. So but again guys, even that time uLiema wena potential ukuthi angawina abeke number 1, wena potential. So I think fan base yakhe nje ibikade isesimweni esi right, noma ubedlala kahle noma bengadlali kahle, but nje fan base yakhe, the supporters were voting for her. So yeah guys, bye.